Welcome back to another update of Where's Footloose. I am currently still in a little bit north of Peoria, Illinois, at the Stille Valley Yacht Club, and nice people here, very nice people. They have been a big help to me these last couple of days. Today, of course, is no travel, so I have nothing to report in regards to fuel or anything of that nature. The reason I am staying here is because I broke a grease zirk off at the part of the engine lift apparatus, and I was able to contact a mechanic, a traveling mechanic that can come to my boat to work on that. And he is scheduled to come Saturday. He says late morning, early afternoon, so I'm betting early afternoon, late afternoon, somewhere in that area. And that would be on Saturday, the 23rd. So I'm here until the 24th. And that's the way it is. You know, that's boating. It's an adventure. It's an adventure. And so it's looking like that's going to get fixed. I'm a happy camper. Today, I just started out with my exercises. Today was strength building. I used my bands, worked out with those, got up a pretty good sweat. And the rest of the day, I pretty much worked on videos up until about lunch. And when I'm here, I was able to work inside the yacht club on a nice table, which was very comfortable. It's a nice bar here, very scenic and well done. And I was able to work there. And then a gentleman came in to have lunch. His name was Doug. And so we began talking a little bit, and he's asked if I need anything. I said, well, I do have a concern in regards to the part where I have to go over 200 miles without any type of a fuel station. And I really am looking for another couple gas cans. As it turns out, they are downsizing, and he has gas cans to give away. And so he brought me 2 6-gallon gas cans that I can take with me to use during that part of the trip. And so that'll give me over 20 gallons of fuel, extra fuel on top of the 46 that I already have. So I will have plenty of fuel to get through that long stretch with no fuel. And also I understand that there's another long stretch further south in the Tenn-Tom. And then as he's eating lunch, his dad comes in, a 91-year-old guy. Oh my gosh, I plan to be looking as good as this guy. His name is Jack, and he gets around pretty darn well. He's 91 years old. He invited me over for lunch, and I had a half a sandwich soup type of a lunch, which was really yummy. He had a big hamburger. And then he drove me around Peoria, introduced me to different parts of Peoria. One of the interesting parts that he sent me to was Grandview Drive, which Theodore Roosevelt labeled as the most scenic drive in the United States. It is a road that goes along the bluff, and the houses there, they're not houses. They're castles. And as a matter of fact, one of them literally is a castle. It has dragons out in the front. And what Jack told me is that they'll breathe fire. He's got flags on it. It really looks like a castle. It was pretty amazing. And so we got back from that. And I worked a little bit more on videos. I downloaded a bunch of pictures that I haven't gotten downloaded. So today was a really good kind of an office day to get things taken care of. And it was really appreciated. I appreciate the opportunity to be able to do that. So that's it for today. Not a lot happening. Tomorrow I'm looking forward to the mechanic getting here so I can get that fixed so I can get on the road on Sunday. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you. And if you're someone that hasn't subscribed, please do like and subscribe my channel. And when you do subscribe, there's that little bell. You click on that bell. Each time I upload a new video, you'll get notified. Thank you so much again. May all your seas be calm. Take care.